Machiegni nyako Ramogi wadhi e weche mag ohala. Jatend migao mar leba Bero osingo ni obiro chwalo chik maneno ni huduma ma ichiwo ne joma ong'ol odar kuok rang'iny mar piny owacho mamalo nyaka mano ma 10 counties.
Ne oloso e kinde chenro mar pogo kadi manyasani ne joma ong'ol, chenro ma olero ni biro konyo thiro achudhe ma osebedo ka wuondore ni gin gi ng'ol.
Kadi manyasani go ni kod nonro mar jal mani kod ng'ol kod nonro mag yore mag yuto mare.
Sani yake isiwahi kanja.
The registration of persons with disability before, as I say, it used to be done in a format that is not standardized by health facilities across the country. Right now, with the Ministry of Health, we have come up with a standardized format where now all the domains of disability can be assessed at the county level, up to sub-county level, actually, level 4 and level 5 of the hospitals. And then the county director now, three medical teams sit, and then the county director of medical services now ascertain. And then the form now is taken to our office in the county to be now migrated into the system.
I wish to promise that I'm going to support any support that they need. I will ensure that I give the council and generally the persons with disability. I know there's a challenge with the expressway that is just outside the headquarters. I'm going to link up with my colleague in the Ministry of Transport to ensure that there is a footbridge that is able to be used.